We are mixing 6 and 8.
Oh yeah, gross. This whole thing is weird. Okay, what did we do, Naomi?
We did Frankie's 8s as a little review.
That's right.
We mixed things up. We didn't do a lot of new vocabulary, but we really worked on kind of practically doing stuff well, and we touched on the swing outs for just a moment with the frame.
Can we just show, we did do, this is not the way to go social dance. It's kind of weird and douchey, but we did talk about, like, we did a lot of a 6-count move and then an 8-count move. That stuff's all great. We did some of this though, where we just like changed what normally would be a triple step. Just, let me get a rock step.
Quick.
And don't do that all the time, it sucks. But as a test of your leading skills to say, can I decide to do this clearly enough that my follower can respond and can followers respond in the moment? It was a helpful little thing. So we just tried mixing it up in smaller chunks even than 6 and 8, just those little 2-count chunks. Nice job with that. That's a thing to practice. Again, don't be a douchebag and test your follower all the time on the dance floor. And then we tried to put into the swing out just that feeling of, we worked a couple of weeks ago on like not sticking your arm up randomly, but still having some connection. Well, we talked about you need connection, but you don't push and pull all over the place. If I pull this way, all you do is pull a little bit back that way. There just has to be only this and no extra. When we have that and you're connected to your self-followers, it can fix some of the places where you go. You don't have to figure things out so much, and stuff like the swing out can be a lot clearer. So when you're getting sent here, for example, if you decide to rock step randomly and break apart, you're in many pieces, you don't get the information you need by the time you get here, so this doesn't often feel like a step, maybe it's a 6-count and you mess it up. One of the big fixes was to stay sort of stacked, keep your feet underneath that, you said like a high noon shadow.
We dance in our own shadow. We don't get a sunburn out here.
Yeah, and leaders, you're kind of doing the same thing. You move a little bit. Followers, you can stay underneath yourself there. You really keep going. You get caught with some momentum. It fixes a lot of these things. You had to be there, but it was great.